Hello, AB Nation. Ryan Webb here with you. aka the Rugby Opinioneer. And today, I will do my Blues versus Hurricanes recap. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. How did I do with my prediction? Well, not that good. I predicted the Canes to win 35 points to 12, and they lost 31 points to 27. But a loss is a loss. Guys, this is unfortunately my first loss of the weekend, and yeah, not so good for me really. Hopefully the Highlanders can win for me in the last game, which is precisely being played at 7:05. So yeah. Guys, the try scorers for this one, for the Blues, it was Bryce Heem, Cole Forbes, Mark Taylor, and Angus Starwell. And for the Hurricanes, it was Brad Shields, Josh Morby, Peter Lakai, and TJ Petanara. So, my opinion. Well, this one was a slugfest. I'll go into more detail in the description. By the way, guys, I do more in-depth opinions in the description, so please read it. Guys, the reason I say this was a slugfest was both teams basically lit it up from the start. In particular, the Blues. Why do I say that? Well, the Blues, although I think they didn't have the stronger back coming into this one, it was basically some late changes for the Hurricanes that let them down, in my opinion. Injuries to Tyrell Lomax, Caleb Delaney, and Billy Proctor meant late call-ups for Pasquale Dorsey to step into Tyrell Lomax's shoes, and for Justin Sangster and Bailyn Sullivan to step into Caleb Delaney and Caleb Delaney's and Bailyn Sullivan's shoes respectively. And unfortunately, late disruption let them down. Right? It seriously let them down. It was pretty much all the hype in the first half was, and it led up to it, because my goodness, did the Hurricanes as a collective unit, and I'll say this for the Blues as well, they were on fire. but unfortunately, like I say, light changes let the Hurricanes down. Anyway, I will go more into that and the description, so please read it. Guys, that is me done. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, I won't be able to do the Highlanders versus Crusaders recap until tomorrow, probably tomorrow night or early tomorrow morning. So yeah, sorry about that, guys, but I have to go to bed after the Highlanders versus Crusaders match. Anyway, that's me done. Goodbye, AB Nation, and I'll see you most likely tomorrow morning for my Highlanders versus Crusaders recap. Cheers!